Kublaya pi barok ki bapet yakini ko kubor upet ngo cable news. Kimat bakong san menta kata yo kilong. Nyakren ke sarkar bat ke harijan panchayat komiti HPC haunai wing ban penkendria ya kibasa hathem meto. Wat kesamla puni kanihu yo vice chancellor kanihu haban dalam ban pensngau ya ke jingdawa jungki. Dan arpawai lak prapondri hajar sispa san pawai ngut kino thepvot hamegalia ong chief electoral officer. In penbat ka delimitation committee ya ke jingbon pat haki constituency persyajur ke HANM bayo trading license ki barjalla ka batrai kam hadu ship housnem ajingmut kinu hikaya ke sarkar ban penlong ya ke mathematics kom ka compulsory subject bat hapedeng ke jing ipo ipeng la penkut no ya ka 5th 4x4 off-road challenges ha kharsati park. Usembot Menteri Rangba ke jala ubak Preston Tensong hakas ngipalai jong kata yo ulaong bak sarkar jala kan sakhat ya harijan panchayat komiti HPC ha unai wing banyak ran ha kabayadai bak jingthmu ban pen kenriak no ya basang basa hathem metor.
Habayakran bikinau pathai kubor usembut Menteri Rangba ke jala ubak Preston Tensong ulaong bahau benai banduan ke sarkar kan sasyong jingalang bat ka harijan panchayat komiti menekren penbet khatdo ahlok jingthmu ban pen kendria no ya ki banat hem metor bat kan sai tiru ya ka affidavit syaka yang syari bancu pingkan mau harian bagi sarkar jala ketemu ban pen kendria no iki basyong basa athem metor syaka wai pat kejaka nagaliang ka harijan panchayat komiti kelalit ban ujor syaka yang syari bat kan ka kam menta kadang don hapadang ke jingtian bishar.
This one, in fact, we are waiting only for the. We'll have one more meeting with them. Unfortunately, puja and all that just came in. So hopefully by next month we'll be able to call them and then sit once and for all, and then we will submit again the affidavit to the Honorable High Court.
Hakabaydai bakakai pot kabal pelat ke Central Pollution Control Board kapapen pau baga Air Quality Index jang ke bernihat ak distrik Ribhoi kalaken jo ya ke AQI kabakadau bakakot Laispa R bat kadai ke bajabo tam nek jakasor hakari na kaliang uba Preston Tensong ulong baga benta basyakamon jang ke bernihat ke jang ke Assam bat ke benta basyaka diang ke jang ke Meghalaya bat ki karkhana kelami bon bah ha ke benta ke basyakamon kat bahasa kebenta ke bahasa kadiang kidan tangki karkhana belabo ha ke industrial estate ki belepet tho da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Uba Preston Tensong ulong bola betha yu chief secretary ke jela uba DP Walang bonekran bak sarkar Assam halor ke jingkala ke bernihat kum ke jakasor ka ba jabo tam hagari.
Left side while going to Guwahati, left side is Meghalaya and right side is Assam. I think you must have seen quite a number of factories. I think you must have seen, and all along the right side, whereas from our side, in the left side, we have only a designated industrial estate called for, and we do also have factory, but of course it is well monitored by the Pollution Control Board. So as far as Assam is concerned, again, of course, we have I've asked our Chief Secretary to take up this matter with the counterpart, with Assam counterpart, to find out ways and means how to monitor, because we can't go to Assam to monitor about those factories which was functioning even till now. So I've told the Chief Secretary to take up this issue.
Hakabaydai bak jingkano unong ilam ke Kongres uba Vincent H. Pala bak NPP kadai genong thiet kertong ibana ke AITC bat ke BJP ak election MP ke Lok Sabha ke Banlong hakas nambanwan. Uba Preston Tensong ubalong nong yalam jong seng NPP ulong bak NPP kamde setia ke nong thiet ne nong dia juki nong yalam seng sang perthai. Ndrai ke de ke seng ke batrai ne ke benta ke bah kamiat juki patba bat ke Meghalaya bak tan stelam mi brokowai. Uba Preston Tensong ulong ru bom dan jingtip AA hilor ke jingtmu uba George Lengdo UMLA barim ke Umroy banwan pedia sono bat ke NPP.
Kisamla puli jong ke school ba North Eastern Hill University Nehu hapo kalama jong ke North Eastern Hills University Students Union Nehu su hakasngi palai jong ke tayo kilawat haban dalam yo vice chancellor jong ke Nehu Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla bat habalaya kendo yo ula ai sundan ye ke jingkular ban shim kya ye ke jingdawa jong kisamla puli.
Kisamla pulih ke sekolah North Eastern Hill University, hapok kelama jangan North Eastern Hill University Students Union Nehusu. Kila persang menikenduk yu Vice Chancellor jangan ke sekolah u Profesor P.S. Shukla. Bat hadian ba kila be bat persang menikenduk yu, kila yok menikenduk yu bat ula kular bancem kiai kijing dawa kisamla pulih jangan ke sekolah. Hak arpun Tarik urisau hajar arpulai kisamla pulih, kila sedang ya kijing hit nerduk ke port katwe berjemen step. Bagi pelong syuai ke jengiat patba na Central Library sya ke Administrative Block. Kebadan ke kamera Tarikam jong unu Vice Chancellor. Ndrai namar bo Vice Chancellor umdan ke office Tarikam kilalit banwa diu sya ke kiang nangba guest house. Daga bepertaru yikitian penrem persya unu Vice Chancellor. Haba kila poi haka kiang nangba guest house kilarung haka jingelang bala penlong do menteri ketenat puli putih rakam esangma bat perta kikitian penrem persya Vice Chancellor. Ndrai da kejing kerpat menteri kisama puli kila ko ungu ban up Vice Chancellor hadok ban dekut kejingelang. Kini kejing hi kisamla puli kene ke skol ba kelalong hadian bu Vice Chancellor syam nasham kya kejing dawai kisamla puli kebakentuk ban penbiang ya kejing ba mabha kidawai bat wifi haki hostel. Bat ban penyo ke library bekerpang na kebenta ke School of Technology. Ban penbiang tiar haki laboratory bat ban wengkam ya Rohit Prasad. Kebala keno belatun kampian the Vice Chancellor komu Technical Officer Senior Consultant. Habalawai kejingelang nak yang Vice Chancellor ulami benekran bat kini kisamla pulih. Bat pensyai kejing tungkam ya Rohit Prasad. Bak lalong klaim kejing penbena ya ke Post Technical Consultant. Ndrai kene la Shemrai dek Executive Council kene ke sekolah ba. Halur kajing dawa ban penbiang ye kijing dan kam hostel Vice Chancellor lokular bajan unsa tau da ka mess committee ban penbiang ye kijing duna haki hostel bad ikini kijing duna baro ans penbiang hapa upnai kala lengkot jong kesenam arhajar arpusau. Hal kebedai bagi jing dawa ban bu ke library Vice Chancellor luye tu baya kene ngamat jing dawa nak liang ginong peniat ke sekolah ba kiladak ban bishar laslam. Bat amdan jakasyo ban shnai ke library jong ke School of Technology. Kumtau nak kular bon wat diki weipat kilat klenti ban lak ban penbiang ya kene kijing dan kam kisam la pulie jong kene ke sekolah ba.
What ordinance did you appointed Rohit Prasad? New ordinance, please tell all the students.
We are and 1 minute, yes. First listen me, no. No excuses. I am not going to give you any kind of excuse. Even yesterday circulated a letter among the faculty members, non-teaching staff, and if you want, you can also take it.
Since the day you appointed him, why? Without any
Not
advertisement?
appointed actually. Appointed contractual appointees already a term period. Number one thing.
Did you advertise it first?
Yes.
Did you advertise it first?
No, advertise.
Why?
Where
Where is the proof? Where is the advertisement?
And that is, I'm ready to discuss.
Okay, you tell why did you advertise it first?
That is already circulated and under the norms of rules and regulation circulated to all the members. If you want a copy, I can provide you a copy. I can provide you a copy. If students want a copy, I can provide you a copy.
Advertise
And
first.
which norms the decision has been taken? This is not a decision of the Vice Chancellor. This is a decision of the Executive Council. And we already taken this decision in the Executive Council. Second thing is, after joining of the Mr. Rohit Prasad, Nehu is able to develop their own app with the help of the student. All of you are able to know about the Nehu app? No. Yes. No. Yes, everybody. You your Dean Student Welfare, we already wrote a letter to put up this app on the जो है Google. You can download that app. You can use your own app.
So that
You
means,
can. Yes. Second thing is, third thing is the main problem our students. We already assured our student that university is going to develop a new system for the colleges, and we already जो है developed जो है one portal for the affiliated colleges student, and after some time we will able to जो है even facilitate our student, they can even print their mark sheet from any जो है place of the जो है country or the Meghalaya. Need not to always visit for their certificate or mark sheet in the campus of the neighborhood. This is the real contribution of the जो है Mr. Rohit Prasad, and rigorously he is doing the work.
so you are saying that you are bringing him to do those work.
Yeah.
Okay. So that means there is no one capable of doing that work before. Like from the IT department, we have Sir also is here.
Of course,
We have how many departments? Yeah.
he is not
We can do that,
working.
sir.
He is working with the student, with the involvement of the student.
Who is the student?
Who is the student? Who is the student?
Student? Yeah, he can provide. I can provide the list of the student. Number of the student, also list of the student. Those he is already working in this. Even some students are working to develop a startup system in this university.
Syukur ni lah ada yang dekat marking system. Tambah hadu mentah kimpat ai cuba. Wah, kiong pemlah le ye tambah kimpat ai cuba bu kena i bro je. Ka cuba ka bagi tua ke union kuat bu nai be ye kena. Bahkan long fair and square. But lu kum issue kum hostel issue pinpet urunti bantik so wayang. Wah, kata kan ke bam ka bagi yo kena hostel. Dia kipun ki issue kum wifi issue mina iki mina ya ai ke memorandum nadu menisdang ban nadu katang gojong ni hadu mentah wifi kimle ye ki issue replace the department apor bu pemerintah issue replace nadu mentah bagi kuat ni debate new and improve wifi hadu mentah kimle ban ka SOT library lik la de ka way na ki balong concern ba nomor ba igani ka central library la jangai ba sebab kita nak SOT kinwan sini central library la jangai ba de ngila ya protes ya kata nadu menu ngila ya pak shiki nadu menu hadu mentah kata ke SOT library kam simpur long de kata ka di bangi protes baru kadon gajing appointment ka balong yan ha ya Rohit Prasad ka ba appoint hidu VC claim jingtip menu claim jingtip menu claim advertisement de kum kata ka corruption ka bangi ni hab ban ni hardo ka ba ni hab ban tip boleh uliak dah kabor kani bro pi kani ka jingtip kam yung Rohit Prasad claim ka advertisement kala adai ka ba kani ya ka hok ka jongi haba umut ban tap kani dak advertisement ai ba kinyo ikon bon sudia kumni nakaliang ka union hi ngin numsha kata ka jing protes ka jongi ka ba kani ka por
Kum shimenta jong kijing pen kre ka jala ban penlong ya ka MP election shaka Lok Sabha House number 1 ha ka sni palai jong ka tayo u Chief Electoral Officer CEO ka Meghalaya u BDR Tiwari ula pentip ba ka jala ka don arphawai lak prapon riu hajar shispa san phawai ngot kinong thep vote hadu ka lai Tarik urisau hajar arphawlai
Chief Electoral Officer Kejala Meghalaya BDR Tiwari habekren bat kinong patai kubor ulong bagjala kadan arpuwelak prapun reu hajar shispa san poingot kinong tak vote hado kalai Tarik risau hajar arpulai hakaba napdeng kini laingot kidikit janda bat kidan ru lai hajar praspa sapu prangot ki service voter Ulitho bagatanat election hadu mentah keladak bansam shispa nak shispa ek bat ke EP ratio katkum santrik kula lengkot hajar arpulai kalong hendru spa sapusan bat ke gender ratio ha Meghalaya ha electoral roll kalong si hajar arpua CEO ula pentip ru bahadu mentah gi polling station ni Jakarta vote jela kidan lai hajar san spa kat arteli ya ka special summary revision jong gajela On penmi ka arpenyo Tarik mentau risau bat kinu-kinu bedan kaman pentemai ne kentaj iki kerteng kila ban le na dok arpenyo Tarik risau hadok ka kendai Tarik no opera hajar arpulai bat kendan artili ki special campaign kata ha ka cutway bat kat pra Tarik nai wiang ha ka ba ondan ki BLO ha ki Jakarta vote banera penbej ya ki jingdon kam
in the house to house survey So if there are some eligible voters, whoever want to file their claim objections in respect to somebody has been passed away, in respect to the deletion of that person's name from the electoral roll, or inclusion of the probable voters name in the electoral roll, because now it is ongoing process. It is not, this is special campaign for the special summary revision for the electoral roll, but that is ongoing process. So after 5th January, in respect to the qualifying date of 1/1/2024, if person has 18 year of age and they left, they can file after that also, and prior to that, so ongoing process is there. So claims and objections disposal is also an ongoing process. So BLO is a permanent person assigned for the particular polling part of polling booth. So under the prescribed pro forma, they have to authorize a person to be their booth level agent. So once this draft roll is being published, then they will appoint their BLAs, and during that process, and they will furnish those reports to the concerned EROs and DOs. Third gender is 3.
But why only 3, sir?
So how can we say these are they have come and registered themselves as third gender? So option is open, and we have nothing to say on that number. I can't comment. This is the data. I am speaking with the data only.
Dakajing temu banyale ban penbait renti ya kajing don jongkinong tep vote haki constituency baper jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHEDC hashwa ban long ki election MDC ka executive committee ka lathung ya ka delimitation committee ka ban khli do unong bishar barem ka district council court u Dr. S. Khars Imli.
Habayekran biginong patay kubor hak arpun rutrik urisau arajar arpulai. Deputy Chief Executive Member ka KHEDC uba pencingan NCM ulong baka council kelatung ya ka delimitation committee kaban clear Dr. S. Khars Imli kumu chairman secretary berem ka KHEDC uba M Kharkrang kumu secretary bat ki dekhot ki kenthop ya MLA berem uba SL Marmanyang kong ar merbo nongikai school bala shongthaj bat Dr. DRL Nonglaj ubalong professor jangka Khasi department jangka school ba Nehu. Uleto bagajing thong ka council ya ka delimitation committee kadai hadian ka jingyo jing menjur na ulat ka jela bat kumta ki lepen khamti ya ka bor ha ka committee banchna ya ki rule bat ki guideline ba ki niach khmat ka jing dai bagajing ban kre ya ka delimitation ban bo ki jing tep ki jaka ka bagi pat ba kan tep ba bikin yo ban ai jing mut bat ban penlong ya ka public hearing ha ki jaka ki badan kam bat ban shim ki jing mut jong ki shnong bat ki pat ba. Uba pencingan NCM ulong baka komiti ngan sesedang terekam no bala batha bagadai ban pendap kloy no ekakam ka council kayo opdiang kloy ya ka kaipot kan yo terekam no hagen ki election MDC ke pementa hendrai lada ka slam kala ban terekam no hadian ula pensyai bela reja baka parlimen ke menjur ban penkela thamai no eki kendon jong ka 6th schedule bat ban penbon no eki constituency hig district council kata kani kejing permit renti kejing bon pat ki constituency kan yarap shibun.
Bat na kaliang jungi nama kapor kala nang estate klempen slam haka apotorik hi ka isi kala notify kala constitute ya ka committee ka bagi ongga delimitation committee ka ba kentup iba i Dr. S. Khars Imli retired judge kumu chairman jong kanika delimitation committee nang ta i secretary Mr. M Kharkrang retired secretary juga KHDC ki dikhot kilongi Dr. SL Marbanyang XMLA i kong R Marbo retired school teachers badi Dr. DRL Nonglai professor department of Khasi Hanehu ban kaliang jungi ila ai bor haki bakin shina yaki rules ni guidelines bakin ya syakmat ban proceed ahead hajinya di barka jing prepared ya ka limitation arjar arjar limitation jangan ni snap di ila ai boru iki ba kin habu hagi public domain ikinu ki jing ai jingmut bar kunjuru na kamenta bakin kondok gi hearing haki jaka badun kam bat ban simru ke jumut jung kisnong jung ki paima bat ban sommet ya report hangi kulai kat bala bat kini kan sesang tai kam mo sai bat ya kini jung tho ki bangi baru sekat taru tiba address house siam na kebentaban include na kawai ke konsumsi ngin sa forward load siaka dimension committee bahkan le ya kaba dun kam le si kila ban ka amendment ya ka siksidel ngatrai kan kam suksibun susu ya kan committee bakam dei ban exercise ya ka dimension tam ta ar kondai sit elected konsumsi MDC karena ban le nam taka 35 37 kat kum ka new amendment. The same committee will exercise. Kriteria na try kan ka dimension committee kan sa frame ya ki kriteria. Se menta konsumsi ko bun pai tham habana jos bagi we. Se ka geographical condition jongki kamnya hap shu bar ka we pat ka konsumsi na marka lek kawan kan kham sitom itu. Kum kita ke but let's say kata ke ngong ba ka syong ru hakat ko nikat kum ga guideline ka bagi draft gini ki dimension committee kumalong hakas nyam arja khatlai kam da simport than tang katu ni brai lala ben pendep dingi skam baga dimension committee kan sa ajim mo dingi
Bak sebut lah dah kena ka dimension committee ka pendep kena ka kam ban ya ikai konstitusi dah kena pendep committee ka tinggal kita nak buat atau kan terikam hari ke election MDC ke pemerintah ni kan terikam hadu ke election MDC ke mensuan
kasyong ka report la ka report kloi kat bala le se kala bantri kam mo ka election la ka slam le se kala bantri kam hadin
Hadian bakalami kijing persya na kibabun balang ban penkut ya kata masa Cherry Blossom Festival hakasing ublay hakasing balang jong kata yo ka dorbar snong lum dat kla kala pentip bakala pancing pensya ni kinong penya ya kata masa bat hadian kijing penben kila menjur ban sedang ya kata masa ndala wailut kijing sang patba kata hadian kalai ni saubaje janmit
Hakabayday bagjing ai no objection certificate bal air kedor barsnong lum dat kla shakinong penya jong Cherry Blossom Festival. Urang barsnong uba esti rempei ula pensyai beginong penya jong ne kata masa ilapan nagabenta shibnai lenter kata nadok arp santrik urisau haduk arp santrik naibiang. Hendrai kam sumadan gejing penbet ban penkut ikene kata masa haksing ublai. Hendrai day tat hadu balami ikilat patai kubor bakador barsnong kasatip beginong penya kidan gejing temu ban penkut hagasing ublai. Ulay toru bayak NOC la aishwash kinong penya dag MCA bag Ribhoy District Sports Association nagbantang amanan Korkalang. Bad ke Executive Committee kila ay pat hadian jing menjurlang dag Executive Committee jong dorbash nong lum dat kla. Uba rempay ulay toru badai hadian gejing tip lo gejing temu ban penkut ikan tamasa hagasing ublay bag ke Executive Committee jong dorbash nong lum dat kla kala khot ginong penya jong Cherry Blossom Festival ban panjing pensyai. Bad hadian gejing penbet kila menjur ban penlong ya kata masa kata hakakat kendai Tarik unai wiang kepada gesing ublay bagi di ban sedang pada hadian bala wailut gejing seng pat ba kebadan hakane katan boy rembong kata hadian light teng nesau beje janmit syusyur ula pentep hadian gejing menjur lang ban penyat kumbala menjur ban le akane hadian kapor light teng nesau beje janmit bagi executive committee ke kermen scam bagi kata masa kan long kebayat bet ya renti bat ban le sendon hak tagarukam ban la ban kentiu kakam jengok kai perthai kam tam hapok kena kathan hak babun ginong chong chnong gidan gejing tmu ban seng kam seng jam dag basna gi homestay kum ta gejingwan jengkum gini kita masa kan la ban kentiu ru yang kena kathan loong nu rang ba chnong
hak weidei bat ka NOC pan nakaliang ka jong kasnong rengkat ba ka stip committee ngila ay kene ka NOC hadin ka jingi menjur ngila ay ru kene ka NOC de kasnong ka ba ay hadin du naka MCA kila depan ay naka RBDSA kila depan ay de kasnong ka ba ay hadin du ya kene ka NOC ngi ay kene ka NOC ru de shibnai ngimtip ya kata Tarik ka ba ya de ba ka sngiu blay namar ngi ay na do arp santrik u Oktober hadu arp santrik u November shibnai te ya ka Tarik ka ba kibu kata kalong khat nyau khat pra khat khandai ka ba de sngiu trai te nakaliang ka jungi ngimtip ndre ngi yo pat ka jingtip lang ba ki media hadin ba
ladon kiba object na kaliang kajongi ngi khot ikitu ki organizer kiba penyak ya cherry blossom bat milayo ban ya penbek bat ki kata kalong ba kinom pelong ya cherry blossom kat bat dangdon ka jingiseng kila ban pelong nadu lai beje lai steng sha nang hak be de ba katai kesengi utrai kata kalong ka jing ya penbek rengkat bat ki ka executive committee umdei tang kabor jonga urang ba snong te na kaliang ka jonga ngai khot iwer ba kamdon kano ka jingklumar po ka sinong ki paipat ang sinong ki sultanat ya kane bat ni kermen ru lomba kane ba kan ka tourism po kane ka sinong ka jongi kan ya sakmat ba saprang namar ni i babun na kinong sinong po ka sinong ka jongi hadu menta ki babun ki ba apply na benta ka homestay te to ai ba kane kan long shibenta kumban penslur ya ki brig menabar ki balak banwan na kementa ka roy par hakadong bakathan ki
Hashwa benginya kmi ki kubor ki badangsa inya phashwa shipor sek ini ki jingpen bana.
A person can get infected with HIV through unprotected sex with an infected partner, sharing of needles with an infected person, transmission from infected mother to fetus, and from infected blood products. You can prevent yourself from contracting HIV or AIDS. Be faithful to your partner. Use condom for safe sex. Use only HIV-screened blood or blood products. Do not share needles, syringes, blades, razors, etc. Visit your nearest integrated counseling and testing center to know your status. Protect yourself and your loved ones. To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Haba phai biang shaki kubor, kinoya lam jong kehenyo trap Youth Council HYC Nong Tliu Circle, hakasngi balang jong katayo kila dawa na kasor karjala bakadai ban kenteu kerdan no yak thlong Nong Tliu Government Secondary School, shaka Higher Secondary School, kamtam haba kasorkar kamshim na le hadu menta wantla kalapinmi yak jingpen bana hakasnam arajar khat khandai ban kenteu kerdan no yak nika school.
Ki nong elam ke Trap Youth Council HYC Nong Tliu Circle ha ka arpusan terurisau arajar arpulai. Delik bani kendo Director Teknat School Education and Literacy bandawa ban kentiu kerdan no yak thlong Nong Tliu Government Secondary School chaka kerdan Higher Secondary. Nagaliang sorkar jela ha kasnam arajar khat kendai kalapen mi yak notification ban kentiu ki South Lee ki Secondary School chaki kerdan Higher Secondary. Ki bagen thop ya ka Rambai Government Secondary School Kanong Talang Government Secondary School, Katirot Singh Memorial Secondary School Latkinsau bat Tholong Nong Thleo Secondary School. Hendrai hidup mentah nak yang sarkar kampat syam lala ban kentiau kerdan yakini school syaka kerdan higher secondary. Habagrani kilat pathai kubor Presiden ke HYC Nong Thleo Circle ujab Karnayor. Uli itu bagi jingwan banyak kendu yau Director ke School Education and Literacy kalong bandawa nak ketenat bagi ban syam kia ban penbiang ya ka pulih putih ke bapaka hakitan nong kendong.
Temen tak kesengi nak kalian jung ulah kubur. Bahkan kekam kaladai ben urlang. Tehenrai dang don katokat ne kiba mengi ngendangnya keren. Hangna heng tai kebangin dangnya penbaik. Tengi kerman skam. Ba kena kekam hakini kisengi ke bansawan. Kan solong kekam ke basiso namar bi bangi nak kalian jong keseng. Kat bampat siso kena kekam ngiru nginem pat syom thaj. Bat nginem res kumba res hakini kisnem borok sausan snem kebeladap. Te khadu yuai ngasngau ba banong ba kena ke isu kadai kabawan ra artali ki mentoy. Kabaneng kong kadai ya ka rural area kabaar ya ka urban area. Ha rural area habangi yo ya ka education kababiang nginem don kam ban lek settle se urban area. Ban wanra ya congestion ha urban area. Urban area kayo la kajong ka benefit. Ban drop down ya ka congestion. Bagi simple people, young people na nong kendong. Kinam yo ya kini ki example ki basneu ki balajia haki area jong ki sor silong. Te ni na kaliang jong kaseng ni singau day. Ban upgrade higher secondary school hakatai ke area Nong Thleo circle Nong Thleo area borok kawe. Hangtai ke don tang kawe ke higher secondary school. Kataru kadai ka jing bamban sel sewang bangi ngiris da kasenang. Namar bangi ladon kampalat nakata kadau la manage da kasenang la manage da kinong song senang. Te hakum kata ka khap ngasngau banong ba kibor ba dai page ya ke education ngasngau dai banong nga request ba pin le kham kloi kumba kana ka kam kelas lam bat ngikwa ban yo ino ya uso hakine kisngi ke bandangwan kuble sibun.
Wat labun sen la saki bagi pulit kilayok kurup ya udrok ubala khayi bean bat alek kumnu pat ya uni udrok ubala yok kurup nakaliang Chairman of Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs CBIC New Delhi Sanjay Kumar Agarwal ula pensyai bat ndalayo ya ke hukum nakayeng kasyari en sapenduk pendamno ya udrok ubala yok kurup.
Chairman ke Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs CBIC New Delhi Sanjay Kumar Agarwal ulitho penakaliang ketenat laragayo penkurup udroks na kajala Meghalaya ketenat kejupen snew no iki hasilong badikani lale adin balayo hukum na kayang cari. Yakni Agarwal lejubab ha bakli bakum no ketenat kejule udroks bagajiyo penkurup man kesngi na kajala Meghalaya. Uni uhe ke CBIC uli itu basisien bakatenat kelayo kurup udroks kindon bun ki kendon bakatenat kinhab banle haswa ban pensni udroks kaban kentup penujor mokok duma ha kayang syari badai tang hadin kania balayo ku hukum na kayang syari bakatenat kan salak ban pensni udroks. Haswa kania nakaliang ucaman ke CBIC ha bakaran na kajingyalang ban plepat ba ya ke Solo Street Light kabalong ha Prime Hub ha IVCS dieng kentong. Hak arbundro Tarik urisau ula kedau kejeng tereshitom katenat bantek lakam kejeng KIBA nya udroks hakari berok kawai.
Whenever the drugs are seized in Meghalaya, so those are destroyed in Shillong.
So, any similar steps you want to take in Meghalaya, owing to the huge amount of drugs that are seized here every day?
So, whenever drugs have been seized, the department goes for destruction of such drugs after obtaining the court orders. So, there are certain formalities which have to be completed before the drugs can be destroyed. So, that is to obtain, because we launch a prosecution case in the courts. So we have to obtain some orders from the court for allowing us to destroy the drugs. So that is the way it is done. And wherever the stocks of drugs, seized drugs are lying, there we are taking up steps for destruction of such.
Usambot Menteri Rangba Kejala Bakmi Ekatanat Home Police Uba Preston Tensong Hakasi Palay Ulalum Yakajialang Banyatai Sani Halor Kijing Ja Pluding Kiblaja Hapok Kejala But Hakabe Day Bakajing Tay Yakayang Darbar Tawan Batama Kejala Hamau Diang Tiang.
Habai keren bikinang patai kubor hadian balawai ke jingalang uba Preston Tensong uluang bala syim katu kene kirai bad ula batharu yakatrat beri kemi Inspector General beri kemi bakin ai tilot ya berok gijing tep babanya ki e gijing e ki baki ya kendo lakade ya kitiar kitar lan ki breu kenang baka sorkar kan yo ban kemi benia Uluang baha kejing yalang kle keren ru akabede bat ka fire safety audit ki yeng bat gijing tai bala batha ya ka fire service wing bakin IT ya berok gijing tep gijing ajing mut cek sorkar bat hadian baka sorkar kle opdiang ya gijing ajing mut kan salum biang ya kejing yalang Uluang ba an saya tai sani bhai kejing don kam banwan ra ya ka fire safety policy bat ki kendon kam tam ya kejaka sor kabalong kebadan kam kerkir
Decision we taken where ultimately I've asked the department concerned, the fire service IG in charge, to submit all the details. What are the challenges that we have, whether in terms of maybe the instrument or in terms of infrastructure or in terms of manpower. I've instructed him to submit it to the department, to the government, and then we will see one by one to meet those requirements, whatever ideally is possible. So this is the direction I've given to them.
So what about the fire safety auditing of buildings, government buildings, including secretariat?
Yes, that also is part of it. That's what I'm telling you. I've already told the fire service wing to submit all the details. The details means recommendation, suggestion, views to the government, and then from there, once I receive all this, I will call again a meeting. We'll discuss in the higher authority. We will discuss, and then I think we need to come up with the policy. We need to come up with full SOP, especially in the urban areas, which I personally feel it is needed very, very urgently. And once that is done, I'm very sure we will come out with the SOP and the notification accordingly.
Uba Preston Tensong ula pentebru bag sarkar jela kanang api ke jingterwan nag police headquarter nag benta ban penka ya ke police commissionerate bala debta ya ke tenat MLP bat ya UDGP ban penkre e bro ke jing dan kam bat ban pha ke jingterwa syak sarkar uli thu bag jing thung kam thmai ki pulet ru kelajan deb menta tangba kelami pat ka to ke jing e namar ke jing dan kam ban penkala ha ka rule jangka recruitment board bat tang sudap le ekania on sepen banano ke jing thung kam kumba Hajar Sans Patli ki kam ki balai.
New recruitment, now the process is almost completed, where few issues were there relating to the recruitment board rules. So few issues were there where ultimately I have to take to the cabinet. Cabinet will also hopefully they'll approve the few changes in the rules which needs to be made, and once that is done, then we will go for advertisement and we will complete the whole process of recruitment again. Roughly, we need to recruit in the next recruitment board, I think minimum 2,500 persons.
Uba Preston Tensong uba kami ekatnat PWD buildings ulah lumi ke jingalang banetai ke bedai bat kikam kijam jaga jingtai ke yang dor bartawan betemai ke jela. Habai keren beginong patai kubor uba Preston Tensong ulong bat kikam kijam keliat bahasa kemat bat anialek pendep ke jingtai ke yang dor bartawan halanishwa jong unailar ke senam arhajar arpusau. Bat syan ansa sedang noru ke jingtai ya ke dom betemai. Uba Preston Tensong ulong baga jing penlut benrap namar ke jing kelem udom kam dan satya mereka dantang ke jing penlut benrap alo ke jing tiat ikitiar thamai ndre ya kaneru omdan ke jing tip ke batikena namar ke dei ke bahap benekren ha ke high power committee Nalor kania uli tu bagi sarkar keladap yo ikasong tengka bantai ke Circuit House lane ka Meghalaya House bat mentai kidang penkreak ban khotno ikatanda bantai ya ka Meghalaya House ke Batamai ha Aurangzeb Road ha ka Jing Penlut ka bakot Laipo hado Laipway kelut tengka.
About the GAD and again rebuilding relating to construction of second house or we call it Meghalaya House in Delhi, and that is in RSF Road, which was previously known. So in fact we already got a sanction. Now we are working out the necessary documents to invite the tender for construction of the new Meghalaya House at Aurangzeb Road.
What is the estimated budget?
In fact the sanction amount is about 30 crores, 31 crores.
Menteri Kesorkar Jala ubalong ru hakajuk kapor UMLA ka Kliriat constituency uba Kermenshela hakasni palai jong katayo ulong baki jingwan ra ya karel hakarilum chantia kan urlong tang lada ki pai nong shong shnong ki ai ya kijing menjur.
Habay keren ginong patay kubor Menteri Sorkar Jala uba Kermenshela ulong balada ikam penroi kiwan na kebenta kebaha kemiat jong patba on persya nrela rakam ajing mentoy ki patba on yang persya. Ulo ang kanu karai ban penyak cakmat akaban wanra bat pentri ka mekarel hais Jante Hills kaniat becakmat tang lada yo swai kejing menjur ni pat ba ketan uba Kermenshela ulo ang bag sarkar kan chemiki senjam ki ban hap bat kejing kwa jong pat ba la ban ong ba dangshen ka sarkar Jela kala penpau kejing trang ban wanra ya karel ka ban penyeso bat ke East Jante Hills Neri kiseng bagi kenhun kila persya ajur kena kejing temu bat kila dawa badi ban pentri kam swai ke lain permit ban tek lakam ya kejing wan rung kertep di mender bat kibriu ke panabar.
For me, neither I'm against or for. If any development for our state, if that is for the benefits of our people, so I am for that. If that development will not serve the purpose or the requirement of our people, so I'm against for that. I believe that not only me, all the legislators are for that, because we are here for the public and we are here to serve for them. So I feel that to comment whether the railway is good or bad is too early, because why I say that, as of now we have not seen what is especially in Meghalaya, we have not experienced. So, but for this, what I feel, like has been mentioned to our friends whenever we get a chance to discuss, I said, don't judge too early or don't judge without knowing anything. Because I remember there one friend of mine, he's asking me, I'm opposed to this railway. I asked him, what is the reason? He said, no, I'm opposed to this because it's not good. I asked him, what is the reason? He don't have any reason. All I request and I want my people, especially from East Jante Hills, whenever we are for any project, we have to know at least a basic knowledge about it and what is the benefit about it. If we are against also, the same thing need to be applied, that what is the the problem will come, and then what is our losses by having the train. If if something is benefited the people, and then just for my personal I'll be against, that should not be happen. So I believe that this time any project, even the railway in East India, if it comes, I believe it will comes with the concern of the people of East Jante Hills, at the same time with the profit for the people of East Jante Hills and the state as a whole. So for this we will have as of now we have verbally discussed with a few friends, especially the stakeholders. So they are keen to, with the concern of the some representative, that we will have a meeting where we'll ask the concern of the people. If they are for the railway, then we will ask the Chief Minister to implement it. If all the peoples are against it, then we have to go against that, because in the end the first direct benefits will be to the people of East Jante Hills, or the direct effect will be to the people of East Jante Hills. So the concern of people of East Jante Hills is very much important. For me, what I would like to mention here, for us, if we feel that through railway that influx will increase, so why not we just seek ask the government to implement only the goods carrier? Because goods carrier, I believe that nothing will happen with influx, nothing to do with influx. It will just help us because the good carriers, it will reduce the cost of the materials, especially when we import something from outside the state. So that's why I said here, to judge whether it's good or bad is too early. We have to know what exactly, because good carriers and public carriers, we can choose. If we feel that we don't want public carrier, even the government concerned so about that. If we have train station, at least the good carriers. Public transportation thing, our people might not require it, but still, if it's there, they do require. But okay, if they feel that not required, so still we can ask for goods carrier. That's one thing. If we have a goods carrier, this overloaded truck, especially the big trucks, which we comply through this national highway, because of them, we have seen that witness lots of accident happen and lots of this thing, road damage has been done. Unless if we have a train, then goods carrier will be done by the train, and then at public transport will be done by road. So the road condition also will be good, and public will have no traffic problems. That is what I feel my personal. But in the end, public's concern is very important.
Ha kabede bat kajing plu jong kayeng hatana road ubak kermen cela ubak mi ketenat disaster management. Ulong bagi head officer jong ketenat kelesong jingyalang bat menteri rang bah kejela hadian jong kajing plu hatana road. Ha kababarok ketenat sorkar kilapan pau kajing sokya bat kajing don kam jongki bat eke kebadai ban le nang ne syakmat. Ubak kermen cela shimlah keren AA la ke sorkar kan le AA ne em ban ajing irap ikani kelong yeng keblamat ya kania kajingja. Bad ulong bahadu mentah ke sorkar kadang ab ban yo ekakai pot jing tokit halor kani ke jingja.
So we had a cabinet meeting with the chief ministers. He conducted a cabinet. There we have taken a few steps, decision that what needs to go ahead. So for this, the preparation has been prepared from all the department concerned, either from the PWD or either from disaster management or the fire station. They have shared their requirements, and then even what needs to be done for the state, that also has been proposed, directed by the chief minister on that meeting. So exactly now what is the status, I don't have it with me, but the work is going on and the preparation has been is going on as of now. As of now, we have not seen any notification came out based on that. So here, because when it comes to compensation, there is a norm to be followed. So based on that, if they are eligible for that, so of course they will have it. If not eligible, so they might not be able to have. So all compensation will be based on the norms to be followed.
What is the total the assessment on the damage?
As of now, I don't have the details yet with me regarding with this. So hopefully, because last time I remember they were asking for 10 days to do the assessment. In that cabinet meeting we had recently, so some grievances has been shared by the team, especially the fire team, what they have faced the problem, especially in Kandailat. So based on this, now the government are trying to find a way out. What is the possibilities, because removing the buildings is very difficult, and then what steps needs to be taken. So that's why we have this cabinet meeting last time, and then based on the proposal we will try to see what is feasible.
Kahinyo Trap Youth Council HYC West Khasi Hills hakasni palay jong katayo kaladawa na ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bakam day ban ay ni ban penthama ya ka trading license ya ke barjala ban khayi pateng hakathan shalang West Khasi Hills kamtam haba hinyo pau na ka shispa ki ba khayi pateng hakathan ki day ki barjala.
Ki dikhot ke HYC West Khasi Hills ko ke jingilamu president uba lumlang khars imli. Rengkat kejingan lang unong aibut keseng ba Robert June Karjaren kilale ye kendo yo chief executive member ka KHADC ba peniat sing siem bat ai kedor khas halor kimat baper. Ka HYC kelapen pa we kejing sngudiau bagi dan gumbah nyo pau nak sispa ki breu ke bamde ki trai jela ki bakhayi hakathan shalang bat kane kelak ta ajur ya ki trai muluk. Kumta kila kentu ya ka KHADC ba kamdai ban ai ne ban pentamai biang ye ki trading license jong ki breu ki bamde ki trai jela. Ubak lumlang uloong bau CEM ula kular ban shimkiai kene kejing dawa bat un sabatha ke himanong ston ba kamdai banai NOC shu syakini gibreu ki bamde ki trai jela.
Bat ka bak kongsan ka bangi kenduk menta kalong ba nhiều khâu persen ki dukan ki nong khayi barjala ki ladon hasyalang nadu akau senam ibaladam haduk mata tingi seudio hapo jang West Council District tang kayo syalang kabala syakni no hagi barjala kamdai kayo bordar ngimkeren sepang kata kayo bordar dari kasyalang ka hapo jang West Council District hapadeng magadon markhab bagaro district tinagalian jungi perkhat ba ikerpat FCM bom desu ban isu trading lesson syaki bad lagi badan hasyalang nang ni syakmat iba thamai ban nom rindu su yagi barimru kata kadai ka jing kerpat ka jongi nomor larangi phai kat kum ka an ka jong ka himan ostain phang ka the administrative system of himan ostain rule arajan ru ka keren phang in case of udikhar ka keren phang kata kong udikhar umla ban syong ban sa hapo jong ka himan ostain tigamut ba kajing keliru ya ke himan ostain balai pat ki barla ki don hasyalang manu ba ai no si te nakaliang jong ngile persyam bane kendu yo sim jadi himan ostain rai le thu ba kajing ai no si ka dei nakirang ba snong ki don hang to hasyalang tingum laban keren ni kata nomor baka hima ka don ka jong kabor tigum tangi kerpat yo si am ba keren ke himan ostain ba kinom isu su ya ke no si syaki ki barla kenang ba nomor ngitip la kimyo no si kimyo ka trading lesson dang ni tikum tan nakaliang jong CM ulong urun saptha yaka himanoseng ba kanom ailat su yaki NOC bakinuan nang ba kisnong kide ban yo yaka NOC naka hima na gitu kisnong ban yo yaka trading license nang ni te nginget baka hima ngin sape ka hima lada CM bodon bolom jongi le kata ka bangi le keren bangi se ka himanoseng kan sa ai ka jubab lakan le nem katum kanika rule jang kahiman ostain tiba ubar jela umla ban syong masa umla ban tari ban kata hapo jang kahiman ostain ti ngej bakaniru kumbangi le kendu siam ekran subun ki ai ngej ba ya kaniru kan urlong gajing kwai jungi nomor pi i paradok prasnam jungi ki badai nang tu na than lengam ki bahap ha syalang area ia klem jam repat ki bar jela pat ki kam ki dukan ki bahaya ti kumtangi kerpat ya ka yo siam ba ya kahiman ostain bahkan berkat thamai halogani kenang ba ki produk prasam jengi ki langam ki badan hang tu kinlong ki try jong kayo syalang kinlong ki try kinong di jeng di hang tu kenang ba ka kam keru jam lu kanja kan yarap ha tu ka thai jengi kita ke ki jengi kendu jengi
ka HYC West Khasi Hills kalapan pau baka ki HADC ka penslur tang ni ki riu shimet bada ki hima bantung diang kat baka ki HADC kam shimlalei pat ha ka jaka jongka ka badan ha athiabari Banakaliang Chief Executive Member Ulukular Belengba ke Social Forestry Wing jangka ke HADC ansa shimkia ka baydai bat kene kamat nalor kani kila dawaru baka ke HADC kedai ban pet ka khendau ka syap ha ka than West Khasi Hills bat ban penklan ki kampen roy bat ya ka khai pateng ha ki yo ki badan ha ka jaka khapot ka HYC kila dawa no CEM jangka ke HADC bagadai ban betha ki hima bat kisnong bakim dai ban NOC kat bamani ki brio ki bamdai ki try jela bakin yo tray ya ke kampus gramin bak sevak ha ke post office
oi ru ki lese borok ka khasi jantia ki i baga HYC West Khasi ka panki ya kene ka jing yo NOC jong ki barjela ki wan tray ka post office kum ki grand sabak ramdak sabak te ki nong sam city ki snong tingi iwan ban kerpat ya CM balai nak ki ka ailat be jiram ba snong bakin ai no si kat ba ka kimon tang bawan ban batai tawan ban kerpat ki beri ban bar ki ailat nomor ba hakanika ngala ban beri khniat hakanika post office ki don ki fast list ki beri jongi kim la ban yo sispa mak khandai mak ti ki tu ba yo khandai pesan mak sispa mak ki don fast list ti ki de ki bar jela ki second list ki la don ki beri jongi de mak la yo rup khusan persen kum ta terter Tila dah kimyo NOC gitu ke badan fast list ini badan second list kiyo menung ke kam tekum ta nak lenjongi ngila UI ke HYC kala ai city haman kisnong pekerpat bakin mai NOC regidan kisnong ke bai NOC tengi kerpat NOC em bun sim khia ke ni batan nak liang CM pan lokular ban sim khia bakin sa mi ya ka oda ba baki nomsha ya kisnong bakin ai NOC kum ya kini si kini ke degawai bangi ai play CM poi lai rap ya kini ke batan
Ka HYC West Khasi Hills kaladawaru nu Chief Executive Member ka KHADC bagadai bantai no ya umat dor Bashir Nyeng jong unong yalam barat ba kejela uba Hopping Stone lengdo bam kuah hedwar ublay. Namar mentala pelat laisnem ka Council kamsyam la pendap satya la kejengkular bantai yauni umat. Presiden KHYC West Khasi Hills ulong bahagi snem gibalalet Chief Executive Member Barim ka KHADC hak jingwane shimbanta hak lengko snem sngiyap jong uba Hopping Stone lengdo. Ulakular banchna umat Bashir Nyeng jong uba Hopping Hanong Stone. Mereka ni kamsyam lu urlong haduk mentah. Ulong ba uba Hopping Stone udai ubala penyok jaka bon ba ya ke office jong ka KHADC Hanong Stone. Bad udai ru ubalong UMDC haduk lai pun ru snem. Bad kum Chief Executive Member naduk kesnem syajar kendai sepak prapusau haduk syajar kendai sepak prap kundai. Bad unong yalam ubalai kun ban penyok ialah kejong kejela.
Wan hakpor ba lengkuk sengiyap jong bagi japing. Wan baong ba kaki TDC kan sa. Kular hakmat di pai ba, hakmat jong ngiru ngidon lang tu por. Kular ba nagaliang jong kaki TDC kan sa temot sireniang yang bagi japing Hanong Stone. Apa ar? Ba nomor baik tu ka office KHDC hapo jong ka Noston West Khasi District dari mai ubala lam lenti ba penyo itu ka office tikin sabu gawe gadak sa jengken mau i hang tu bar ka baal balai halang pi in salai ein mar gadik snong ko ba mai shopping ula jauh KSF kasar 6 ta ka dawa jong ka ri bijai bentel tengi sodai kita jeng keren jong CM ban rei hadu mentala kumba lais nama ei kampat ulong lais nam sosnam tinggiwan mentah nak liang setenat long bah usiam pementah peniat sengsim yang bah insa ngiong ya baru anrai bah insa perkat yang ni ban sanction nam taban teh umur sirin yang jong mai shopping ubalong gila banong mai shopping ulong MDC hadu live terus nam nang ta ulong guru kum usiam hagas nam khat khandai sepak prap saw hadu prap khandai te kawai ru de bru ba kipai ba ki udai nong yale nam ta ka hill state nong yalam nam ta ka ri bijo ban yale kat ba la banom khlong yo uranium hapo nya ka West Khasi District ti kermau tin jong mai ong ba shwa ban khlau ban khlong yo uranium khlong swai ki do jam ki badan hapo ka do nut ka jonga ya tu por landuk sarkar ka kan randin no banti uranium ti kum yo to orang ba na e pinyo badu dei nong lam lenti nam ta ka ri bijai madem ti kum ta kum ba ong giru tu man ki bathok basyukur yang mi jah ping ki kelon hi te ngi kerpat ru ya ka ni ka isi ke balai lam de ba ngi sing sim ba in le ya ta man ta kum bari kular ban te yo mo sir yang nam ta jom ba i ping sun leng da
Kahnya Trap National Achik Movement HANM East Khasi Hills hakasai palai jong katayo kala ada ke dorkas hau CEM ke KHDC uba penyat sing CM ban persat jur ya kejing ai trading license ki barjala ke batrai kam hadu ship house nem hakahima sora.
Kidkot ke HANM Southeast Khasi Hills sapok kejingilam uba Dan Murphy Nongbri ubalong Finance Secretary rengkat kejingidan lang Presiden HANM Sengkme uba Lamprang Karbani. Ha kejingi kendo yu Chief Executive Member ke KHADC uba peniat sing siem kila air kedor khas ban persajur ke rekom ai trading license katanat trade ikibre kebam de kitra jela. Kabatrai kam hadu shposnem bat kene kalong kebam la ban priang satya kiloong. Uba Dan Murphy Nongbri ulong bakat kum ki kendon jong ke trading by non-tribals regulation kat kendai sepasan pusau kejing ai license kai ke de bentrai kam tang shisnem. Hendrai gidan kibrio ki bamdai ki trajela ki belayo ek trading license ke bentrai kam harus posnem tam berkeseng ke persajur ke negerukom ai license. Uleto bu Chief Executive Member ulakular ban budien halor ke negejing ai license babon snem. Bat unsale ke badan kam bat ka council kan nilai rukat bala ban penduna ne ban pendu ya kejing ai trading license ya gibreu ki bamdai ki trajela haki jaka ki bala ban trehi ya kakam dagi samla kasi. Unang alam ke HANM Southeast Khasi Hills ulong bagi breu ki bamdai ki trajela ki lalet mudosh ke yang syari persya ke hima sora. Mana kaliang jong ke yang syari haka South Tarik Risau arajar arpulai kalau betah agi beri bamde ki try jela bagi di Benedict Office jong District Council banche make a trading license now Secretary jong District Council. Uba nong beri ulong baka KHADC kamdai ban ai trading license ki beri ki bamde ki try jela lada ki 4 yo ashwa ya ki NOC ne ki dorbar shnong. kumbala kedau hak United Khasi and Jaintia Hills trading by non-tribal regulation kat kendai spa san pusau.
Và nak liang jungi ni orang ka memorandum ba ipersya ba kajing ai trading license yaki non-tribal. Habai dai tu ka kadon kajing let ti jingkhang jong kini ki non-tribal ya ka himas ora ya usim lagi himas ora ba unai NOC di ne nak liang jong usim jong himas ora la persya ya kani di adin kata kila let ban ujor no syaka Meghalaya High Court dan nak liang kai Meghalaya High Court pa kala haka sau Tarik berapa sifo arja arpulai kala betha iki ba kinlet direct apo office trong ka council bal shim yaki trading license dan ba jong secretary of executive committee trong ka HDC de nak liang jungi ru i persya sepang gani ba nak liang ka hadisi ru i kepat ka bakan simkhya gani ba kanum ai yaki trading license claim dengan yo shwa yaki NOC dan ba ki local heads ni kita ki local robal ya trading license di aku taruh ke kadang kecil persyaru bah ya ki trading license kat kum ke Regulation Act 1954 bah 6 ke ong ba ya ki trading license ala ban valid tang sistem hendai dan apa yang juki pada ki non tribal ki pelayo trading license hadu shipos namru de kalau kadir punya persyak jur hi de juru kat kum ka United Khasi and Jaintia District Health or Jaintia District Regulation 1954 59 ka kan syaru ba hakajaka bagi tribal residents kilala ban le ya kinu ki kam lajong di kelakan syai baya kat ya trading license la banum aisyu ya ki non tribal but what ban renew ru yaki je ya kani ngilawan ban kapat ya ICM takasngi ban nakaliang jung ipat ilai kata ka positive response ba ikwa hi ban nakaliang jung iru iong bangin ya dan lang bangin trailang ne don kat minya trailang yang kakam awai dei buat kini ki trading license ban kalian juki ru ba yang bakin sasim khia nak kalian jongka trade department ru ba kin eliak kat bala ban penduna lani ban pendu pendam lada ki jaka ba ladon kini ki tribal residents bakin tehi lagi khun khasi jungi
Umentri katanat puli puthi ke sorkar jala urakam sangma hakas ngi thoding jong katayo ulalom ye ke jingalang bat ke principal jong ke school bapher kinong ye shimbanta hakani ke jingalang kila ajumut ye katanat puli puthi bakadai ban penlong no ya ke mathematics ne ke jingken kum ka compulsory subject haki school hakani ke jingalang lawan banya shimbanta de ke principal jong ke secondary school bat higher secondary school ke badon hakani ke jala ke officer sorkar bat kiwe hakani ke jingalang bona ke principal kila ajumut chaka sorkar ban penlong no ya ke subject mathematics kum ka compulsory subject habaro ke school ke badon haka jala Meghalaya urakam sangma ulong bahaka jingalang kilayo banyatai sani halo ke syllabus ki kot puli bat ya ke jingdan kam ban penlong no ya ke mathematics kum kawai ni ki compulsory subject ulong hadien bu ulo ik jing ajing mut ki babun ne ki nong penya ya ke school kum ta ke sarkar kan sa shong ya ke jingalang ban shim ya ke rai ke bakhatdo na ke benta ban wanra ya ke jingkala ban khnang ban kentiru ya ke puli puthi
with all the many about 30 to 40 principals of different secondary and higher secondary schools. We had a threadbare discussion and we have discussed about the certain issues, be it about our textbooks issue, our syllabus, our curriculum, and making mathematics compulsory again. So many principals has raised their concern about learning outcomes, about the issues. Yes, they have suggested for the change of some textbook because to bring off along with the national standard. So all this we have discussed and that's suggested, and many have been opinion to make mathematics compulsory. But as of now, government yet to decide, and we will decide in the course of time, and we will re-examine on the opinion and suggestion made by our teachers and principals. Understand that there are some schools which not being used the books prescribed by our board, our MBOs. So they may be the reason of justification. Therefore, maybe we have changed. We have preponed our scheduled meeting for revision. On 31st, we'll be having a textbook revision committee. So on that day, we will just listen to the committee, and we will see the recommendation, the proposal from the DRT, because DRT has doing the exercise for last 6 to 7 months. They're meeting, they're consulting the expert, the academician, the principal, subject expert, the officers, and the students. So we will see what they recommend. So we have asked the DRT to do deeper research, the pre optional time, means before making it optional, what the performance of us, children's in the match, and then now how many students perform well in the mathematics, how many students fail, opted out of maths. All this research we will get the data, and we have requested the MBOs and the DRT to give us a detailed data so that we can have a better information and better assessment on this.
Haka bedai baka jingdawa jongki kan hun nong hikai ki ba pher haka jala umentre ka puli puthi ulong baki don bunjat ki jingdawa jongki nong hikai ki bakan thum ban thum kam purano yaki ban ay ka grant ni jingara pisa bat kiwai bat kum umentre sarkar udon ya ka jingthrang ban pin biang ne pen urlong yaki ni ki jingdawa handrai baro ka shong haka jingdan pisa jong ka sarkar jala urakam sangma ulong baka sarkar kabo hakmat banyale ban penbiang ya kejingdon kam jengginong hikai kat bala kumba kaladep banle teng hakisnem kibaladep.
So we have different categories of teacher. Every categories of teacher, set of category of teacher have different demands for regularization, for deficit pattern, for ad hoc grant, for provincialization, all things all that. So I think yes, government, yes, to me personally, I wish if I could fulfill all the aspiration of every teacher. But since a governance, we have a limited resources, but we will depend on the health of the financial health of the state government. Yes, though we have a willing, but there is a problem challenging in front of us in view of the financial limited resources with the government. But certainly, our teachers is on our priority basis. We are doing, and we have been done, and we have done, and we will be doing what the best we can help to our teachers. Look, it is like this. If we decide to include one set of category teachers demands, the other set of comes in again. So we have to take on board everybody on board. We have to take in everybody, every category of this on board. But we are doing all what you call the let's see what can we do, because look, there are 12,000 SSR teacher, out of which they also demanding for regularization. The ad hoc grant teacher, they are also demanding for deficit pattern. Deficit teachers, they are demanding for provincialization. But to me, with due respect to all the teachers, it is everybody responsibility to shoulder responsibility to take our step forward. So let not the amount of salary they draw should not decide the performance that he serve to the students. So I would request, let the amount should not measure the result, the competency that she or he work for the students. but what in any position, I have request the teachers to give their best so that the result oriented service is always accounted, is always on the highest respect.
Da kajing sokya halor kajing duna but kajing bombyang kijaka puli hapo karibhoy district but West Khasi Hills hakase thoding jong katayo ke HYC ribhoy sapni circle but ka West Khasi Hills kilalat ada ka dorkas yo menteri katanat puli puthi urakam e sangma bantuklar mardor hakaban penbat ya kajing duna baro kibalabu hakajing e yaki khanna puli
Ka New Trap Youth Council Ribhoy Sepni Circle pada West Khasi Hills hak arpunyo Tarik Urisau Arhajar Abdulai kalawan berpen snow ho menteri ketanat puli putih kejelau rakam esangma halur gijing bakathan ke kendo akabai dei bat ka puli putih hakane kathan na kaliang kinong yalam jong kaseng kilawan ban IT kedor kasu menteri ban kedau gijing duna hak jaka puli hakini kathan Nagaliang ke HYC di Bhoy Sepni keladawan naga sarkar bakan cimkia ban pendap no ya ka residential school hagasnong jirang. Ya ka residential school hajirang ladap ban penmi ya ka work order na dok kesenam arajar khatsau. Nre haduk menta ka sarkar kampat la ban pendap. Keseng kelabur ui kejing kerpat ban bo ya ka center ban le ka examen MTET naga benta ki samla pulia naga pang Sepni jong kari Bhoy ha pathar khama lani hajirang. Namar kum bagalong menta barok samla puli ki hak banlet ki examen hanong po. Nagaliang ke HYC West Khasi Hills kila ai kador kaso menteri ka tanat puli puthi ban pensngo halor ke jingbam biang ki yang school ki jaka shong ki kena school bat ke jingbam dan kino hikai higi school ke beran kini kithan. Hadin ke jingi kendo bagi nong elam ke HYC habai keran bat menteri ka tanat puli puthi rakam esangma. Ule tu banakaliang katanat kan cimkia banwengi kini kijing keberan hagi jaka pulia hagi ni kithan. Haga bedai bagajing tungkam kinong hikai menteri ule tu bahasa banwan ka Christmas katanat kan pendap no interview kinong hikai naga benta ki school lower primary jong ka sarkar.
Hapo jong West Khasi Hills district ni dan divertly ki government LP school natang idan ru southly ki upper primary school hanrai hadu menta kalong khamtam ki government LP school kidan no hikai tang wei arngut berkin ki kena school par kidan kumbas sanpho hadu sispa tam ru kidan ki school te nak liang jungi lekran bangi studio hak ni benta bangi kerpat ru yu balak mu kun thung biang kinang hikai hapo jong West Khasi district te nak liang jong upat gular ba nadu nu nai ba menta hi ter kin sathung no hikai nam tagi jing don kampo jong West Khasi district but kadon ko wei hapo West Khasi district ka government Athiabari government LP school kadon tang no hikai pre primary haban hikai nadu nursery hadu class 5 kam de kam ka basuk ban reut nyot ligi class ban hikai tang wei arnut ban hikai lani tang kino hikai primary te nakaliang jung ular ba ucipkia halor kan ke benta ngi laya keren du halor ki building kumba 90% ki building kidai ki pala palat ya ka 100% jong ki government LP school but UP school hapo jaga West Khasi district te nakaliang jong ila ong ba ya kaniru insa shimkia na benta banten bet pendiang hakani ka senam ko baladep ngila keren du furniture te hakani ka senam ko baladep nak ya khandai photli ki school khandai south li ki school yo tang khandai tli ki furniture kum ki bench ki desk bat kuwe hapo jong ki school hapo jong West Khasi district te kum ba palat khap san tli ki daksa te nak lian jungi ibu cikli ke sarkar kum no ki khna kin chong hagawe ka ben dangi pe ji private school ka ben ka barang chong langut rei hagi government school ki chong prangut gawe ka ben bar gawe ka des tikani kan bu jing kum nu kin tan rei chong ba isne teng gi nong kendong ya inspect kum ba life tli ki school po jong West Khasi district ki government ki hab yang dan ki ba yang dan ki ba chong nomor umlong chu ban ya chong habat tho thì cũng cái này nak liang jong i là ba in chim khia ye ni ka kam bar i le kren du apo jong ka sepsing lapli ya ka building sepsing ha ka khat nyau trik jong panai January arjar apply lapli ya kan new building la ni ka building ka batmai apo jong ni ka sepsing rei hadu menta empat lak ban penon kam ya kate nomor balai omdan laj ha ka te ka building ka bala he omdan ru ka ben wat ka wei ru thì cũng nó anh lịch hikai hàng ta thì là cũng bà shit năm duna là pli đây empat lak ban pentri kam thì nak liang jengi pat itu ba la cũng nó uncim khialam nam ta ke jing bit jing piang jong kateka school kamadan ru ha ketika building ba thamai ha sipsing
kadap tangka keti sudah kumnu oniang assembly ki kena school tina kalian jengi ila kerpat yi iong ba insasim khia kani but ila kren sai ru ka kamram jong kontraktor ban penbiang ya ki building ya ki laj ki berkum ta ter tina kalian jengi ibu jeng keli ya kontraktor bar tre ya ke sipsing higher secondary school bau dai ban penbiang no mardor lem dagum ta kalian jengi kasang ngin sasim khia ta ko bentan mar minister luong dai ma ban penbiang tila da penbiang nak kalian jengi ngin sasim khia ya kene kam tunu bangde
Parang juga poru na lang jingi kum kaseng hadin ga jingi jungi dia ke jingbun jong kine ki fresh candidate but ki in service teacher ki ba apply ya kene ka Meghalaya teacher eligible test sam takre exam ka pangi ong ka re amtet na lang jingi ngila bu ke jing tho shaw minister in chat jong ka tra politi ba la kumno hapo jong ka patar kama civil solution ngide bunyo no kawai ka center exam na banta jong kide ki ba tho ya kene exam amtet ba namar beli long bala dangi ya compare ka jingjingai na patar kama civil solution cedu chapo nongpo kabari ka district ke jungi kala jingai pala nomor beli hapo nongpo ru hidon kumba arlai kli ki sentar ki ba pento exam ya gene ka Meghalaya teacher eligible test de kumtang la bu ke jing thosh u ban kapat u bar provide dem kawai ka sentar hapo patar kama ya nomor tahu la yang ju la kulari ya gene benta bare scam pa how ki benai December ade kala belong semurlan ru bayang ne sentar exam jong ka MTET bagi kena ki ban pendap dengan exam kini yo bertok na patak kema parang juga porong sim ya kabu ban ai ke jingket bok yang nam ta ki fresh candidate nam ta ki in service teacher ki ba pendap dengan exam MTET ba kin subha ban le bhai dengan exam ki kenang ba kalong jingket ku ya kadong ba ya kri beroi
Banyale ban shimkia haka banyada ban penne pensa ya kamariang kamtam iki klauge betam jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHEDC haka snito ding jongka tayo chief executive member ka KHEDC uba penya sings ulalom ya kejialang banyatai sani halor kanikamat Hakane kejialang lawan banyashim bentalang da deputy CEM ke KHEDC uba PNCM ki executive member u Dr. S. Ashutosh, retired IFS, but u director and co-chairman jongka Center of Excellence u Gunanka DB IFS u balong ru u executive director jongka MBDA ka Dr. Lavinia M. Dakhar ka balong ka technical specialist Center of Excellence but kinomi khamat jongka Yura Acorn ka kanhun ka Banakari Netherlands. Kajialang kalaya tai sani bat kalaya peliu jingmut halo ka jingdon kam ban shim yiki sin jam banyale ban penne pensa bat yada ya kamareng. Habe akran bekilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ka jingalang usi em ka KHEDC ulong ba ka jingalang kala shim ka rai ban thawi ka committee ka ban kli de ka kong Magdalene Saukumi Maulong ka badai ka executive member ka ba khmi ka tanat forest bat kani ka committee kan shim kya ha ka ban pinya chakmat yaki kam ki jam ki biadai bat ka agroforestry carbon finance project uba pinya ulong ki hima bat ki dorbar shnong bapher ki don ni kelau adong bat ki lau kentang kumta da ka jinga trelang nla ban pinya chakmat ya kani ka project ha ka ban pinne pensa bat banya daya ka maryang bat ya ki klau ki betam
habai dei bat bakani ka project ka bangiran chipang ka klau ka betam ki jaka rap bat ki nam ta ki nong rap ka jingmentoi ki kalong ba lingba ka jingdon jungi ka council ni don lai benta ki rukom terekam sensyar khadar tenrai ka bingidon ka wei de ka sensyar district council ka baan ni don ka sensyar CM dan sensyar ilaka ka balai ni don ka ni ka sensyar shno te ka don ru ka sensyar lai but haman kini ki kerdan jo ki ka rukom terekam ka jongi hakat kum ka riti sensyar terekam jong lokshwa ni don ka haka district council ni don kini ki plantation jong ka district council forest plantation kini ki forest plantation ni don khat artali umduna ya ka 1000 hektar kini ka jaka ka jing he but na kini ki khat artali ki forest plantation ka council malum malangi yo jing kain da kum no nyo pho na ka shispa ki de ki forest cover ki bangi ong kamut ka debe bala don diem lai phu percent let se bom don diem let se don ki jakaru ki plantation ki ba don diem tang shipho ar percent henry ngi kham kain pa kumta ngi kain kulum lang bar khoi khat atli kamut nyo pho na shispa ka don diem average te ladingi phai so ki hima ki ilaka ngi don san phu south li ki hima ki ilaka. Hakini ki hima ki ilaka dan bet takum no kawe ka klau kentang ka binyong lanika kenika lau kentang ka binyong haka jing syam ka jongi kat kum ka riti dustur kebaki longshwa kila bu nam ta ka jing mentoi jong kituki brio hapok ka hima te kini ki lau kentang ladang syam kawe hakawe ka hima ru ngila don lupasan pesau tuli tingi pai sai ka rai ru ka don be hiki klau jong karat lau kentang jong kirat ni pai sa kishnong ru haka rikasi kini kisan district ka jingpet jong ki HDC kini kisan pusau teli hima umduna ka saw hajar teli kishnong idon te namar ta kadaw ngang so ban ong ba ling ba ka jing trei lang ka jongi ba state government khamtam haka jing lam jong ka HDC menta nam ta kanika Agro-Forestry Carbon Finance Project yang asno ba kanong kabajok.
Kajing ang not jang karib hoy dorbar banyo yalak office trekam kabapura kan sa urlong no hadin belapin scam ya kani kajing temu da kajing bu yu mau nong rim hakasnong sning so bhala rib hoy district hakas ngipalay jong katayo.
Kinong elam karib hoy dorbar hak arpun ru Tarik Risau arhajar arpulai. Kilala ban penurlong ya kajing temu bandan ya ke office trekam kabapura kata hadian belala ban pleo mau nong rem bantai ya ke office trekam hakasnong sning so bhala hak distrik ribhoy. Ya mau nong rem bantai ke office jong ribhoy dorbar lawan ban pleo Raja Brahma additional deputy commissioner ke distrik ribhoy hakajing dan lang ba iling do BDO ke sning CNR di blok kinong elam ke ribhoy dorbar bat kiwe-kiwe. Nakaliang uba Arbi Shadab ubri nongelam jong keribhoy dorbar. Ulapan pau kejing kemen kebakra holor kejing jam jong keribhoy dorbar syakathong ban penurlong ya kejing donkam yala ke office trekam kabapura. Ulapan pau kejing sungo ya Dr. WR Karluki UMP ka Raja Sabha halor kejing mang ya ke skim na ke MP lad arhajar arpuar ha kejing mang pisa kebakot kumbash paulak tengka na kebenta kejing te ya ke office. Habakran pad kumu kongsan Raja Brahma kumu officer beladan bentah hakaban kershan keribhoy dorbar hakibabun ki kam tam kershan ru hagajingya lenti jangka kenhuan ban yokno elak office trekam ulapan pau kejing kemen ban saki bakani ka kenhuan kala jam syakmat ban yok la kejong ka office kabapura bat kabala ban trekam haki kindat manai ke banwan ulang ru bakriboy dorbar kadeka weni ki kenhuan kabla syakri ya kabah kamyat bat ki kam penroy jungisnong hagani ka district. Shosho ula ai kejingi ru halor kejingi ijngai jong Dr. WR Karluki UMP ke Raja Sabha ubrane kathong ban kentiu ki district bat kisnong hakajala Meghalaya daga bayo kun ban penio ki skim penroy baper ban kentiu kisnong bagajala hebar kowai daga kular ru bagi bod district kindan rengkat bagane ka kenhuan banang kersyan ki we pat kejing don kam ban pendap kejing te bapura ya kene ka office trekam.
The laying foundation stone for river Dorbar. It's just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Kumbayo Pisa. Then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other, like other projects like Bangkok parking for sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline. For water supply, we'll see it. Whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself along Kumba River Darbar, it's not only an asset to the headman, Kumba member, but it's an asset to the River. It's a symbol of, a love, a symbol of development for the people of River district as a whole. And being a senior members from the River Darbar, we and myself PD from the district administration, on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and the coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well, and we are always there to help.
Hadian bagajnya keren pun hapadeng urang basnong kalum dat kala uba esti rempai bat ke presiden jongka sti ke kong purity power kala sapriang hakaleng hakala si ublay jongka tayo uba esti rempai uladawa na ke kong purity bakadai ban panmap hapo arpau saw kanta lum kumta n ujor sekibor jongka an namar kala record ya kejnya keren bat that pat ba klem dayo jingbit
kublai ba
Kublai
Kublai. Ba nga shuwat yung phone number jong pi nga yo ate nga day mga ikong purity pawa mo. Oo. To nga hakabaya day bat kani ka festival ka ban pelong na ka state government. Kat nyaw kat prabat kat kendai te Henry jong ubenai ba kat we. Kat kendai te ka badai ka sengi Sunday. Di kadai ka sengi Sunday. Pi pada kum kasnong hang tu pis ngau kum no ya kata masa pertai kabakin ai burom yau ta uding ka along kum ba mane blai thau hi ki ong ba hakas ngi sonde kin penkut na lor kin penkut ru haka tu kasnong ka jong pi dan jing ngau ya kata ba
ngala dep komplain na duk sedang
te mano ba ai permission
te ndai ba ai mangite
mano ba ai
Vậy mọi cái thuốc mà đàn nghĩ lại hoài hà cá RBDSA ha nang tam bat ka MCA te tu kila long ready ben ai te nakaliang ka jumi ke snong ya hat but lang ta he
Urang ba snong jong ka lum dat kla uba esti rempai hak arpulai Tarik urisau arajar arpulai ula kentho da gabateng ya ka kong purity pawa ka badai ka presiden ka state halor ka jeng pensapriang ya ka jeng ekran phone jong u bat kene ka long keme habarok ko ka khasi jantia ha ba uni urang ba snong ula dawa sendon ba kene ka long keme ka de ban panma mardor hapok arpusau kenta lem kumta banse men ujor ski bor jong ka an kane ka jeng ong jong ba esti rempai urang ba snong ka lum dat kla boy rembong kla jaru halor ka jeng sapriang ka jeng ekran jong u bat ka kong purity pawa ka bala phone udang shen ha ka pormen miet kumba shpau beji ai ha ka ba kani kalong kemi kala persang banekran halor kajing persya ki babun ki kenhon ya kajing temu ban pengkut ya kata masa Cherry Blossom Festival arjar arpulai ha ka singi ublai kata ha ka khat kendai Tarik unai wiang la ban kedo bagi kenhon babun kilami ban persya ek sarkar jela kamtam katanat jengok kai perthai halor kajing temu ban pengkut ya kani kata masa ha ka singi ublai ha bakran ki nong tho kubor uba esti rempai ule tho baga kong purity pawa kala phone udang shen ka pormen miet ha ka baula dan jing thia ha ka bagani ka jing ekran kane kalong keme kala pen mi ya ka jing ekran halor ka jing bam persya jong ka bas nong lum dat kla ya ka jing thu pen kot ya ka Cherry Blossom Festival ak sing ublai ndrei ka basngo khia ka bakham jor kalong bagani kalong keme kala record pen ban klam ka jing bit jong u ya kane ka jing ekran bat kla that bat ba pen ban ya kane ka jing ekran ule tho ru ba kane jing that kane jing ekran phone jong u bat kane kalong keme kalong shisha ka babe an namar kane jing ekran na show record klem ke jing bit jong u ka blakta ke jing long shimet na privacy jong u bat kane kalong be an bha kat kum ki kendon an kum tan na kaliang jong u la dawan ka kong purity pawa ba gade ban pan ma mardor halor ke jing sapriang jong kane jing ekran jong u bat ka hapo ka arp sau kenta lem kum tan na kaliang jong u ban se ban shim dikilat ki bateng e ban ujorno shakibor ka an
ya keren nak beide bagatuka jingthan ya ka jingkren ka jonga bi tu ikong purity pawa na kaliang ka jonga nga snusi ibun namar kalayang bat la sapriang keleng ka ri khasi ka jongi ha ka ba kane ka conversation ka jonga kalakta e ka privacy ka jonga kumta na kaliang ka jonga nga dawana ikong purity fawa by day panmap apo arpusaw genta lada imla panmap apo arpusaw genta nakaliang ka jonga nganya syakibor jongkaan
hashwa bginya kmi ki kubor ki badang sa nginya phashwa shipor shakini ki jing panbana
Are you having trouble in having baby? Nearly 27.5 million couples in India actively trying to conceive suffer from infertility. Cherish your dream of parenthood with us, Janitfa IVF Center. Now we are in your city, Shillong. Our state-of-art assisted reproductive technology and our team of doctors and embryologists will guide you to realize your dream of parenthood. Consult Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Janitva IVF Center, Guwahati. For further details, please contact www.janitvaivf.com or contact Janitva IVF Center, Shillong.
A person can get infected with HIV through unprotected sex with an infected partner, sharing of needles with an infected person, transmission from infected mother to fetus, and from infected blood products. You can prevent yourself from contracting HIV or AIDS. Be faithful to your partner. Use condom for safe sex. Use only HIV-screened blood or blood products. Do not share needles, syringes, blades, razors, etc. Visit your nearest integrated counseling and testing center to know your status. Protect yourself and your loved ones. To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Habang inya beteng biang iku kubor ngin pin ken mau biang yakimat bakongsan jong ko kubor mentah katayo. Inya keren ke sarkar bat ka harajan panchayat komiti HBC ha unai weng ban pin ken ria yakibasa hathem neto. Wat kisamla puni kanihu yo vice chancellor kanihu haban dalam ban pin sngau yak jing dawa jongki. Dan arpaway lak prapon riu hajar sispa sanpaway ngut kinong tepvot ha Meghalaya ong Chief Electoral Officer. In penbait ka delimitation committee yak jing bon pat haki constituency. Persyajur ke HANM bayo trading license ki barjanla ka batre kam hadu ship housnem. Ajing mut kinong hikaya ke sarkar ban penlong yak mathematics kom ka compulsory subject. Bat hapedeng kejing ipo ipeng la penkut no ya ka 5th 4x4 off-road challenges ha Kharsati Park. Kum shibenta banyale ban pen pau nam ya usok plang bat kumju ban kentiu ya kinong rep sok plang ha ka sesa jan jong katayo baladab ka sang samla Catholic Holy Cross Parish mau kenro ringkat kejing trelang bat katanat arts and culture bat katanat tourism kila penlong ya ka sok plang festival ha Holy Cross High Secondary School mau kenro. Hakan ni kata masa di Soplang, UMLA ke Maukenro constituency ubak Banti Dorlingdo ulalong kumukongsan, haka balai don lang kinuyalam jong kaseng samla Catholic Holy Cross Parish, ki ofisa ni kitinat sorkar kinuyalam shinong bat kiwei. Habakren haka jingalang ubak Banti Dorlingdo ulapan pau ya kejingkimen, balapan long ya kani kata masa ban pinina mi Soplang ubade uso ubami haka ni kejela, bat ulong bakani kata masa kamdai ban long tang mentaka kenti hendrai deban penlong man lakasnem ulapen paru ya ke jingkemen baka maukan row constituency ke de ke jaka ke bala kerku kerhai da ublai bakal la ban pinmi ikiso ba pher ke jaka ke ba kring bhai ke nong chungok kai da ke jingdon ke jaka chungok kai kum ka nong jrong ka laitlum ka noron sentung bat kiwei Kinong penya ya kani kata masa kila penpau baka jing temu ban penlong ya ka sok plang festival kalong ban penina mi usok plang bat kumju ban lumlang ya ki pai ba ban raki bat sungtu khambha ya ka jing mentoi ka bakila ban yo lengba usok plang uba ajing mentoi haga kot ka khya khamtam haba kinong ajing sumartan rai ki pendon kam ni usok plang na ka bentaban ajing sumari ki jing pang ba pher bat kadai ka bakila le ru na duk ki por barim baja baju long man la kasnam hakasingi hat majai jong katayo kiriunget Hindu kibadan hakari India bat hakajala Meghalaya kilapen kutno ya kale niam Durga Puja kani kale niam kala shongshit bha hakanong ba shalong hakabada ki hajar ngut kiriunget Hindu nakaleng ki jaka kilapendep ya kajing pengam neban bretno ya kablei Durga hapokwa kra.
Kani kejengla niam kabasau sini kasau atui Tarik risau balik ikut no akau Tarik risau. Pada kali kejengla niam lalea dekat niam dia play akibat berkirimi Hindu lekat kejenglan kelasat semua dia surap dan led dan tidak ya kejeng ikut dia kejengla niam awam kan. Hari ini kesini pedang dia kejengla niam Durga Puja. Esaki belaslah penat puja pandal di bulan hakal yang jokenong bak selong. Bat kila slay di kirunget naruk ki kena red haduk ki temen ki bila riam bat pong di kijan ki be internet. Haba kirunget kila rung hakini ki puja pandal kila bo jing duai kerpang bat ban mane ya ke belai Durga bat kila bamru yu prasad ubala ai di ginong le aniam. Usembut menteri rang ba kejelau ba presiden tensong uba kemi iru ya ke tenat korbari hakala asing belai jong kata yo lelet jengok iki puja pandal ha ke balai dan lang ke deputy commissioner ke district East Khasi Hills ikong RM Korba Superintendent ki pulet ke East Khasi Hills uba S Nong Tenger, bat Presiden ke Central Puja Committee Unaba Bahta Charji. Uba Presiden Tensong ulai ku belai Durga Puja ya berok kirunget Hindu bat ukermen scam. Bakani ke puja mementa ke senam ha ke jelakan long ke bayat bet yat renti bat ke bajob. Kani ke jenglet berat belai kelas sedang naduk ke por menstep bat kelakut no aduk ke por menmiet. Haga bagi renget Hindu ki basyang basa akonong ba shlong kelemi nalaki puja pandal ban bot igi kali ki bakit igi durblay bat kelelet berat igi ne hawa amkra kinong elam jong Central Puja Committee kele pentip pemerintah kesnem gidan ars pa san pauteli ki puja pandal ha kajla Meghalaya batang hakonong ba shlong kidan nriu sauteli ki puja pandal. Kani ka le niam le rukom kelalong ke basyong syit bha bat gibor peniat distrik ila perking ya kejeng pahara hakal lagi jaka ban penti kena bakani kejeng le niam kan long ke bayat bet bat kebalai kini gini gura. Kajeng rake ya ke Durga Puja ke daikum shibenta jong kejeng job hablai Durga ya u Mahishasura ya kejeng job jong kobha persya ke sini.
इम्पोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट है बच्चे और बालक को विसर्जन हर जगह से अनुमति नहीं है किसी वॉलंटियर कृपया दे दीजिए कि बालक
Part number 3, CPC volunteers.
ABS Durga Puja Committee has reported to Durga Puja Committee Office of Open India.
Da kejit mu banyale ban kentiu ya kejingile ka football hakatem ribhoi hakase palai jong katayo ka ribhoi District Sports Association RBDSA kala play perda ya ka football Super League arajar arpaulai Hamadan Umsning Patarim hakane ka sisdang ka jintru football club kala yo banra ya ka jingjob.
Kariboy District Sports Association haka arpun ru Tarik urisau arhajar arpulai kalayok ban sedang bat play perda ya ke Super League arhajar arpulai ya ke bala penlong haka madan nilakai jong madan umsning patarim. Ya kini kelumpung ilakai football jong ke Super League lawan man play dau Raja Brahmau ADC ke Distrik Riboy Kumkongsan haka jingidon langru uba i lingdo video ke umsning CNRD Block uba Bobby L Nongbet District Sports Officer ke Distrik Riboy uba Arbi Chadap Presiden ke Riboy District Sports Association bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba Arbi Chadap Presiden ke Riboy District Sports Association ula pentip bakani kekenhuan kelas sedang biang ban pen KM mikini kelumpung ilakai football belatip kum ka General League bat ke Super League bala pensengi asypora ke senam arhajar arpaway namar ka jingwan shop ke kelam COVID-19 bat deh kini senam ke bementa bala sedang ban pen KM biang ya kini kelumpung ilakai haka General League kidan kum bahan rupusan teligi kenhuan kiban yakun na gebenta ke nam la ado bat ke Super League kidan nyau teligi kenhuan kiban yakun ka nam la ado Raja Brahma habakran na kanega singi ula ai ke jingi ro ya ke Riboy District Sports Association kibala nang treshitom ban kentiau ya ke jingil akai sports kamtam ban penlong biang ya ke General League bat ke Super League haka bakidon hadu syajar sans paangut kirangil akai kiba yakun leng baki kenhuan boper Ule thoru bagakam sports ka kentiu ki samla ki babon kiliang bat ka ajing mentoi ru agi babon kiliang bat don ru ki bayo ki jing siu ki bahe ni kilumpung il akai ki bahe ndre ki samla ki bran ki jing angnut bani okam ha ki kampulet bat ki ki ru ki don ki jing mentoi ki bakrau na ka jing penlong yakum kini ki jat jing il akai ha ka sngi sedang jong ke Super League ka jing yakun menengkong klalong ha pedang ka kenjon Umran Football Club persya ya ka dong thamai Football Club ha ka ba ka jing kon kala kut no apdeng ka jing khat ka ba mar shigol bat ha ka jing kon ka baar ka kenhon jong ka jin True Football Club kala la ban pinlem no ya ka Edge Football Club da argolano
Kejaya kop nyak kali ke balatip kum ke ahor 4x4 off-road challenges ke bala penlong da ke adventurous hinyo trap off-roaders hakar sati park kalakut no hakas singsak jan jong ka tayo balatip bat hakane kejaya kun bun ngot kinong nyak kali ke batbent na kaleng ki jaka kilawan ban peni yakasap ka phong jongki
Kalumpung nyak kali ahor 4x4 off-road kalau poinok sekabakut hadin kejaya kun nyak kali hekilenti ke bakoro koram ke belane kumbalai smi ha kabalawan banyak syembenta de kinong nya akali senrang berkentai ke batibet na kaleng katan stelam ini kentup na kejelam neglaya bad dengan gelempung lepen hak perdano ha kar satipak ha ke distrik Riboy ya gini gelempung nya akali he kelenti ke bakoro koram lepen nya de kenhon jong ke adventurous new trap off-roaders ahor ha kabala pia ek jinga kon hakikat tu kini ke kerdan ke berkentup ya ke SS1 SS2 SS3 SS4 bat SS5 kentup ekjingnya kali haga pormen mir. Lawan bat penhak perdano ekni kelumpung doba MB Tongper ADC ke distrik Riboy haga jingdan lang ba William Heck sembut kongsan uba Damian Umdor presiden ke Ahor uba Ferdinand T Kharkamni vice presiden ke Ahor nalor kiwe-kiwe. Habakran haga jing penhak perdano ekni kelumpungnya akali uba MB Tongper ula penpau ekjing kemen banyo banwan sakhi dalade ke rukomnya akali haga bakino syembenta ke lepen i kisap nya akali ke batebet bat kani kerensan kanang pela di kinongnya akali badan sab bandang pentebet syuk-syuk elade ulakit bok ke ruang ya barok kinong syembenta ke balawan bani syembenta hang gelempung kamtam kinong job bagi nang la ban kiu syuk-syuk kisap jongki bat ula kentupat bagi jengnya akali kijingnya kop kin kut no tang he kijingnya kop ndrai om ban but teneng ya kum kini kurkomnya aki surok kanang ban lat kijingja ke besngusi Nagliang kahor kalayok bensam ki husna merekat berkesong kisah syabarok kinong job hakikat dan ikunnya akali boper. Banda kaliang kahor akan kelempungnya akali kelakan mau buram ru yau baklan kupar sauk mia bam kuah dua rublei ubri udikot jom kani kakenhun.
Te paralok dakito ki khubor ngila poi se bakut jong ka thup khubor jong i menta ka tayo ngin se syam byang bat pi la syam tayo khublai shipur